Craving Chipotle but want to use that gift card burning a hole in your digital pocket? Let's get that burrito bowl paid for without touching your wallet. First, fire up your Chipotle app or head to Chipotle.com on your computer. Whatever you prefer for ordering, make sure you're logged into your Chipotle Rewards account. If you aren't, now is the time to log in or quickly create an account. Now build your masterpiece. Add all your favorite ingredients to your burrito bowl, salad, or whatever Chipotle creation you're dreaming of. Once you're done customizing, tap or click that checkout button. On the checkout screen, review your order to ensure everything is perfect and your quantities are correct. Below the order summary, you should see a section labeled Payments or Payment Options. Look for a link or button that says Add Gift Card or Apply Gift Card. It is usually located in the Payment Method section. Click on it. Now, carefully enter your Chipotle gift card number and PIN. You'll find both these details on the back of your physical gift card or within the email. If it's a digital gift card, make sure you type them correctly. Once you've entered the information, hit apply. You should see the gift card amount deducted from your order total, leaving you with an updated amount due. If there's still balance to pay, perhaps your eyes were bigger than your gift card. You can use another gift card or a credit debit card for the remaining amount. Finalize your order, choose your pickup or delivery option, and get ready to enjoy that Chipotle goodness. Happy eating!